Orm-sa Chorcaighe. This is just a brief video to highlight 4 concerts that are coming up starting today, the 31st of January 2026. 4 concerts which will feature 4 of my songs. Some of you may know that I'm also some class of classical composer. I've said 2 songs in Irish and 2 songs in German, which have been recorded by the soprano Helen Hancock and the pianist Paul Ziebes. And to celebrate the launch of that CD, they are giving 4 concerts. The first of which will be today in Limerick City in St Mary's Cathedral, a free concert at 3 o'clock, Beidh. Tomorrow, the 1st of February, Beidh, in the Hardiman Hotel in Galway City at 3 o'clock. Then at 1 o'clock next Tuesday, the 3rd of February, in the Cork School of Music, a free concert. And then on the 5th of February in the Goethe-Institut in Dublin at 7 o'clock, I believe. I'll put all the details in the description box. So go away and buy your tickets for the 2 concerts that require tickets. Tomorrow, the 1st of February, and the 5th in Dublin. And what I will do at some stage I'll make a video analysing the texts that I've put music to. And perhaps more interestingly, perhaps do a video discussing how I went about setting the text and what was to be taken into consideration when composing it. You can hear the songs playing in the background, but if you want more of that, you'll have to go to the concerts. But yes, so I'll come back at some stage, discuss perhaps how I went about setting the poems. Show you the score, discuss my own thought process when writing music, but not before analysis of the words. So if you have any suggestions for how you might like me to do that, let me know, and I'll leave you with the end of Only.